been a little while since I've done a little videos, and I've been noticing how the autumn is really early this year, but I wanted to start with this tree that was a bit of a surprise. I've seen them as walking yesterday in Lewes and also just around the countryside, and have a look at this. What are these? I'm going to let you have a little think about that, but it's definitely a tree that's got some kind of nut. A walnut tree. A little bit further along the road we find these. And this is the Hawthorn. You can tell by the little star at the end of the berry and the leaves here. So just a quick look at that. We've got this leaf and this leaf, walnut and hawthorn. Then a little bit further along the path and we get to these. So we might remember these in springtime with those beautiful bunches of white flowers. Now you've got these beautiful dark berries, which are the elderberries, and hopefully making some elderberry syrup soon, which is really full of vitamin C and will be great as a cough syrup as well. So notice that, and we'll get another little leaf, but they look slightly different on different trees. But now we have our 3 leaves, and then over here, come over here, we have this, and this is our good old favourite blackberries, and we sometimes forget what they're like. Have a little look at that leaf, and they're very spiky on the underneath. So like with all foraging, we've got to be really careful that we know what we're eating before we eat it and ID things. The final one that I'm just going to show right now is these beautiful, what they call keys, ash keys, from the ash tree. And there's another leaf of that here. So we've looked at all these different trees, and I'm going to be doing some stuff with this over the next few weeks, but if you want something a little bit more professional, we have a foraging day on Wednesday the 16th of September that you might want to sign up to with Circle of Life Rediscovery. Thank you. Bye.